Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use Blackbox AI for HTML and CSS in 2025 with a beginner-friendly guide. First, Blackbox AI is a powerful tool that helps you generate HTML and CSS code quickly by understanding your design needs. To get started, simply visit Blackbox AI website and sign up for an account. Once logged in, you can describe the web page or element you want in the simple language. For example, type, create a responsive navbar with drop menus. Blackbox will generate clean, ready-to-use HTML and CSS code snippets tailored to your request. You can preview the code live inside the platform, make adjustments if needed, and copy the final code directly into your project. It is especially handy for beginners who want to speed up development without writing every code from scratch. Blackbox AI also supports popular frameworks and CSS libraries, so you can specify if you want Bootstrap, Tailwind, or pure CSS styles. Plus, it helps with responsiveness, accessibility, and base coding practice automatically. For more complex layouts, just break down your design, request step by step, and Blackbox AI will assist your finding in your web page piece by piece. Overall, Blackbox AI is a great way to boost your HTML and CSS skills while saving time and reducing errors. Keep practicing with the generated code, and soon you'll be comfortable customizing and creating your own unique designs. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you in next one.